Bira is a very popular beer among youngsters these days. Is it an Indian brand? Comment below and watch the complete video to know about it. Isn't it relaxing? We all love beer. Along with making us happy, it can boost our economy too. But how? Simple. By choosing an Indian one. Today I have picked the 8 most sold beer brands in India to see which ones are Indian and which ones are not. Come on, let's see. The first place goes to Kingfisher. Kingfisher is owned by United Breweries Limited, having a massive market share of around 42%. Now the question arises, is it an Indian brand? There's a catch. Around 46% stake in United Breweries is owned by Heineken, Netherlands. However, the majority stake is owned by India, that makes it an Indian brand. So yes, you can go for it. At number 2, we have Haywards 5000. It is quite a popular brand in Uttar Pradesh with a market share of around 15% in India. Owned by SAB Miller, a British company, later acquired by Anheuser-Busch InBev, a Belgium company. So, this is not an Indian brand. Number 3, Tuborg. Tuborg is a very famous beer brand with a market share of approx 11%. It is owned by the Carlsberg Group Denmark. So, this is not an Indian brand as well. At number 4, 5 and 6, we have Knockout, Elephant and Budweiser. These 3 brands collectively hold a market share of approx 20%. Knockout is owned by SAB Miller Belgium, Elephant by the Carlsberg Group Denmark, and Budweiser by Anheuser-Busch InBev Belgium. None of the brands are Indian. At number 7 stands an Indian brand, Kalyani Black Label. It is one of the most iconic brands in India, owned by United Breweries, sold majorly in West Bengal. It is named after the town Kalyani where UB Group's first brewery was established, and today Kalyani Black Label carries on the legacy. At number 8 comes a crafted beer, Bira. Bira was initially a fully Indian brand, but now it's just 30% Indian, as it sold about 70% of the stake to Sequoia Capital USA and Sofina Capital Belgium in order to raise funds. That's bad. Now let's look at some of the best Indian options to choose from. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming episodes of Be Indian, Buy Indian. Kingfisher and Kalyani being 54% Indian and Bira being 30% Indian. I have chosen 5 fully Indian brands that prove to be good alternatives to the foreign brands like Carlsberg, Tuborg, Budweiser, Haywards, etc. At number 1 is Bro Cold. This beer might just shake you up, as it is probably the strongest beer in India and comes with the alcohol content of 15, 10 and 5%. That's huge. Next comes Godfather. It is one of the oldest beer brands established way back in 1961 in Jammu, and now it also has a state-of-the-art brewing facility at Rajasthan. It has also received many awards for the quality parameter it maintains. Next comes Kings, the brand synonymous to the Goa trips. In small bottles of 330 ml, it is surely the king of Goa and is slowly becoming available in other states as well. Next comes a crafted beer, White Rhino. Launched in just 2016, the brand has done wonders. Easily available in North India, especially in Delhi and Gurgaon. It brings an amazing feel with it and is always worth a try. Simba. Known for its deliciously molded taste, the brand has grown fairly quick in terms of numbers and geographies, and is always worth switching